All right, guys, 2023. Got a sexy stripe on it, Scat pack. I like that. Custom badges, custom everything. Really clean. So, got factory converters there and there. And then what we did is we took the factory system off, I'll show it to you guys in a second, and put a Corsa Extreme catback system with Corsa Extreme X-Pipe. Then middle, delete, there and there. But Corsa sent us the wrong part, so we had to fab it to make it fit. They sent us two left pieces instead of a right and a left, so we had to cut it and fab it. But it's okay, it happens. We always recommend you take it to an exhaust shop to get it professionally installed, so you're not stuck without no exhaust. And then they have their own valves that bolt in using the factory setup, factory valves. I mean the factory electronics, but Corsa's valves, okay? So you bolt them in here and here, it's spring loaded. And then there's the two mufflers out the back there and right there. And the sexy black angle cut tips out the back, there and there. And the part number on this thing is right here, as you guys can see, 21072 black. There'll be a link in the description for it. There's the factory system. You just unbolt it all and slides right off. It's a long system. Out with the old, in with the new. Check out the orange brake calipers to match the paint. I like that. It's a nice touch to match the badges, the orange badges. Reaction, yes? What do you think? That's hers, man. Sound decibels? 116. Oh, okay. Yeah. We'll see you soon. All right. Did it come factory with the stripe? The orange stripe? Oh, look at that. That's the last call on these. Look at that stripe, it goes all the way across. It's so cool. Nice touch. Black badging. 392, then the big caliper on the front. The stripe continues. The front side. Very nice. And that's the old exhaust we took off. Very nice. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Another satisfied customer. 1 second. That's perfect.